We did it again. £150, 50 t-shirts. I do this all the time. I buy t-shirts and I always constantly regret it. And I've done it again. Vintage branded t-shirts. I think I've ordered grade B to make it cheaper. Already regret it. It's a massive box. I can't even put it here because you won't be able to see me. So I'm gonna do it to the side. It's big. It's a big box, and it's gonna be full of crap. But hey, we might be pleasantly surprised. But I'm just gonna jump in, to be honest. It's taped. It's so badly taped as well. We're ready. Oh my god. I can't even be bothered. Does someone want it? I can't even be bothered. Anyway, it's just a lot of t-shirts. I'm just gonna jump in. I'm pretty much getting blind because it's not in front of me this time, so I'm just gonna... Oh wow. We have, first things first, double XL Adidas. It's not too shabby. So all these they're £3 each. So think £3, think how much you can sell them for. Like, you know, you're looking at like £10 per t-shirt. It's easy. It's an easy refill for your Depop shop. It just keeps it ticking. Like air, yellow, simple. I'm just gonna go through these quick. Got Champion, XL. Like, I'm not going to talk too much about any of them because unless they're really cool. If they're cool, then we talk about them. If they're just basic, like most of these are going to be, you know, this is a restock day. Adidas, grey, boring. We might have some cool ones. We might not. That's quite cool. Big grey Champion. Don't really see that kind of Champion logo, so we'll take that. Seen this one. Reebok lime green. God, you can tell I regret it already because it's just so much work for such little payoff. But oh well. LS, who remember when LS was big? The ultimate lads brand, LS. Like white. It's quite nice actually, that. Big. We're looking for proper vintage. You never know. We might get some. We might not. Grey feeler. They're probably all just, you know, solid £10, 8, 10, £12 t-shirts. Big Nike tick. I've not seen one like that before, but it's just a Nike one. It's not even a vintage one. Yeah, we might have to. So far, this is like the second bad batch that I've got from this company, so we might have to boycott. I'm just going to keep them rolling. XL Champion. It's basically just a white t-shirt, and that's not an XL, man. It's smaller than me. I don't even know how many this is, it's probably like 10. Converse. Wow. Converse t-shirt, grey and black stripes. The Nike t-shirt, we have so many Nike t-shirts, but like the Nike t-shirts, they sell for a solid like £12. I've never really seen. Oh, there's Tommy Hilfiger. It's like what the hell? It's like a Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt that a company's taken and branded it themselves. Trash. Another Nike t-shirt, I think. Yeah. Nike tees for days. It's what we bloody get. Oh my god. Right. Champion. Another Champion. Right, we're getting through them now. That's massive. That is huge. Eagles football Reebok. Eagles. I don't know who Eagles are. Sorry, Americans. I need to scrub up on my American football knowledge. I'm assuming it's football. Peanut. Green. Big Adidas one. You know, it's just what you get. Oh, I got so many. That's kind of cool. Big red Nike. That nice logo. It smells quite nice. It's like they've washed them for me as well. Oh, man. What is this? Just Do It. It's quite old actually. It's got a big green Nike tick. I'm assuming. I don't know. It was, I have no idea. Like Japan flag maybe, but in pink. Adidas. Got V-necks for the V-necks. Climber. So that's a gym top. That'd be a nice gym top. That might be bloody reopening again. God, I sound so ungrateful for this, but I know what I'm getting. You know, like if it was like, oh, mystery box, it's not really that mystery. Lotto. I don't really see lottos in these kind of boxes, to be honest with you. So there we go. We're about halfway, I think. We're about halfway. So far, it's just stocking fillers in it. It's nothing. It's never going to be special. When you order t-shirts online, it's never going to be great. It's all just going to be, just keeps your Depop ticking, you know. You got Ralph Lauren. Just beige Ralph Lauren tee. So what I normally do after I've ordered t-shirts is I bang them all through the wash, I sort them into colour, and just bash them out at like a tenner each usually. And it usually equals profit most of the time. Adidas. It's quite an old one with the stripes. It's beige. I like beige t-shirts with like small logos. I quite enjoy. I can't wait for summer. What is this? God, we don't get gym shirts in this. Why have they put this in there? What are they doing? Bright yellow Adidas. That's a big job. I don't touch that too hard. Oh man, this is long. This is long. It's like a strain. It's not an exciting thing. It's just another t-shirt, another t-shirt, another t-shirt, another t-shirt. It's not like the last two where it's just like, oh wow, what's this? It's a pair of joggers, it's a sweatshirt, it's a football shirt. It's just a t-shirt. We have a green Puma. I can't wait for summer so I can actually sell these properly, you know. But summer, you know, it's a good time to restock for summer. Because everyone's still on winter. So I'm just going to stop buying some. They're in relatively good condition, like the average condition, the average t-shirts. You just take what you can, can't you really? Average. Oh, I'm regretting it more. Like I was excited. There was a day like just after Christmas, I was like, we're going to go into lockdown after Christmas. Order a hell of a load of stock. And you're like, yeah, and then you're just going to work through. You're going to work through the January, the boring January, the February with Depop. So order loads of t-shirts, order this, order that. And in reality, it's hard graft for little payoff, you know? And this will be the last time I order these t-shirts. Normally I can spend time and I can look at them and be like, oh yeah, that's cool, I can do this with that, I can do that with this. It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Might give them away. I might just send it back and be like, hey, I don't want this anymore. Oh, I can't be bothered. I have to clean them all. I have to get all these marks out to be able to sell it for a tenner. Hey, I'm ungrateful, you know. Champion, take the champions. Durant. Oklahoma City, NBA, Durant, might be French. Oh, we are getting through these now. Levi's, what size is it? Levi's, you know, it's a tenner. I don't think there's much more, to be fair. There's not anything that I'd sell more than a tenner, so I'm just gonna probably, it's just to get the sales. Like I said in the last video, the aim this year, this lockdown, I want 1,000 sales. So March, I've got 2 months to make 350 odd sales. And just these little, like, you know, £5–10 sales every now and then, they add up, they do add up. Big Adidas. It's a bit nicer than the rest, to be honest. What's this one? Big Black Champion. It's in pretty crap condition, otherwise that I'd say that it's actually quite nice. But it's in good condition apart from the fact that the C's a bit faded. But the big print out champions go for a nice amount. Not a lot, but a nice amount. We've got more Nike. Yeah, it is real. The print out Nike. And I might have to buy some sweatshirts, you know. More Nike. It's the black. I've not seen the bottom like that before. I think you can see that. Big print out Nike thing on the bottom. We are getting through them. Slowly but surely. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it unless you're buying t-shirts, then don't do it. Some of these, you know, they're just blue Nike. That's actually quite nice. I might keep that for myself. Another Nike. Established 72. I'm pretty sure Nike's older than me. In fact, I actually got told off for calling it Nike in a couple of videos ago. An American guy commented and he's like, "It's Nike. It's Nike." Baby blue Puma. I think we're down to our last 2 already. So it did not happen quick because there was nothing to talk about. Nike. It's just Nike. At least we get to keep a big box out of it. What's this? Last but not least, well, probably none of these can be least. That's probably the coolest one. An XL big print Nike with some stripes. Is what it is, you know. It's exactly how I expected it. They're £3 each. You can, you know, bash through these 10, 10, 10, 10, 8, 12, 7, 5. It's just sales for me at the end of the day. I want to up the sales. I don't care about the price, I don't really care about the profit for these because it's stocking fillers, it brings people to your page, it fills the stock. But yeah, that is it. I'll show you the process of cleaning and in fact I won't because it's boring, everyone knows how to clean t-shirts. You stick them in the wash and you get rid of the imperfections and you stick them on Depop and they don't sell for weeks. Yeah, I'm done. That's 50 Nike, Adidas, Puma and Tommy t-shirts. If you want to see me waste more money, I do appreciate a subscribe. My Depop's Jamie Sco. Yeah, buy some of my t-shirts. Some of my really nice t-shirts. Goodbye.